to age identifier. So this program lets the user check if you're under young, adult, or old. Let's search age classifications. Yep, young adult, middle age adults, and old adults. Okay, so 0 to 2 is baby, young adult 3 to something. Okay, so the only thing we need is age. That's the only input we need from the user. So console no int age. So then console dot right line enter your age. I think I can try using console.read age int dot parse. I always forget. Okay, read line. So if age is less than 2, console.writeLine you're still a baby. Else if age is less than or equal to 29, less than or equal to 2, 29. You're a young adult. Less than 49. Less than 49, you're a middle age adult. Else, then you'll be old enough already. You're an old adult. So let's see. No, we don't have console.readline. Console.readline. 5. Yeah, I'm a young adult. Okay. And that's it. We're done for the age identifier.